In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset Night Owl DVR. So to reset your recorder to the factory default settings, you need to follow the next step. So before performing a factory reset on your recorder, make sure you have removed the recorder from your Night Owl Protect app. And then go ahead and go to the recorder main menu. So we need to log in after this step. So click on the tools icon to open the main menu. Now, once you're on the main menu, go ahead and click on the reset at the bottom of the list. So under system info, go ahead and click on reset. So restore your device settings back to the default values. After that, you need to go ahead and click on the factory reset button inside reset. Now in the last step, you must have already removed the recorder from the Night Owl Protector app. Click on continue and your recorder will now reboot and be restored to default factory settings.